is for me. I turned my Wi-Fi off. Okay, so, hey guys, what's up? Today I'm showing you some of my favorite breeds in hybrid animals. My first favorite breed is, no, not my first favorite, but one of my favorites is Yeti and alligator. Where's the alligator? There it is, okay. And then it's the Arctic Chomper, which has lightning. And that's one of my favorites. And then my second, one of my other favorites is starfish and turtle. It's a star lizard and it can turn giant. And then one of my other favorite breeds is frog and human. Where is the human? Oh, there he is. Okay. And the human is the bog man, and he could turn giant. And then one of my other favorites is ostrich and snail. Where's the snail? Okay. Ostrich and snail. It's a flightless slug and it has screech. And then one of my other favorites, the second last favorite, is seahorse and monkey. Where is the monkey? There he is. Or the chimpanzee. The monkey, chimpanzee, same thing. Seahorse, chimpanzee equals a swimming ape, and it force pushes. It like blasts the enemies out of his way. And then my last one that I want to show y'all guys is a pretty basic one. It's the crab. Not pretty basic, but it's the crab and the T-Rex. So, and that equals a beach raptor and lightning ability. So, hopefully y'all guys have enjoyed. I did. See you in the next video. Bye.